The human mind is fascinating, and so is the study of it. Psychology is a powerful tool to help influence people and sometimes, maybe, even control them. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the psychological tricks that actually work. Part 3. If you haven't watched the other two parts, I will link it up here so you can go and check it out. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. वन रेपिटेशन. अगर आप किसी को किसी चीज के लिए कन्विंस करना चाहते हो तो ट्राई दिस टेक्निक. If you keep repeating one statement again and again, even if that said information is legitimate or not, people start to believe it. If you are shy and aren't a good speaker, you gotta lie to yourself, keep saying that I am a good speaker. Challenge the negative beliefs and your brain will eventually start believing it. This technique is very useful, especially if a large audience is being addressed. Repeating something over and over again will eventually wear them out and they will start believing what you say. No wonder politicians care chodo. Complimenting others. If you want someone to like you or trust you, start complimenting them. When you describe someone with a particular adjective, people tend to start associating your personality with the same adjective. For example, if you call someone kind and understanding, people will start associating you with being kind and understanding. इसका opposite भी possible है. अगर आप लोगों के बारे में बुरी बातें करोगे, तो they would associate you with negative emotions. According to Gretchen Rubin, author of the book The Happiness Project, whatever you say about other people influences how people see you. तो यार मक्खन लगाना सीख ही लो. Third, scarcity effect. This technique is used in marketing and something we have also studied in economics. It is when the demand and supply do not meet equilibrium, or should we say that there is a mismatch in the demand and supply. Now, how is this applied in daily life? हम उस चीज को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं जो कि रेयर हो. They do not want to miss out on the opportunities that come with it. People use this technique when it comes to marriage and dating as well. They be like, the longer you wait, the less likely you are to find a guy or a girl. Because of this manipulation, mostly used on women, women are pressurized into getting married. So women, you know what it is now. Fourth, stronger bonds. When you want to build a friendship or relationship, try spending time with them. Instead of just going for dinner or watching a movie, try doing an exciting and adventurous activity with the person that will pump up your adrenaline. For example, rock climbing, hiking, going to an amusement park, or just going for a run. Social interactions which are positive and fun release hormones such as oxytocin and dopamine. An increase in oxytocin, or the happy hormone, means a decrease in cortisol, or the stress hormone. Studies have shown that oxytocin is associated with higher trust levels. Fifth, retaining people's attention during a conversation. If you are talking and you want someone to pay attention to you, this is just a simple technique you can try. Just maintain eye contact during a conversation. किसी से बात करते टाइम इधर उधर मत देखो. Look at that person, maintain eye contact. Same goes when someone is talking to you. Now, maintaining eye contact gives a sense of confidence and honesty, which gives a person a sense of trust. It makes you more persuasive and makes the person interested in what you have to say. Maintaining eye contact also helps you read facial expressions and improve communication. 6. Asking multiple requests. If you want a couple of things needed to be done by someone, start small. Don't bombard them with big requests at the beginning. A small request makes the next question seem normal. This is called the small then big request technique. As some people keep saying yes for smaller requests, It makes it difficult for them to say no when a bigger request is presented before them. Studies were conducted as to what should be the appropriate time period between the two requests. They acquired an average of 4 days from the time periods ranging from a few seconds to 2 weeks. 7. Repeating names. If you want to make a good and long-lasting impression on someone you just met, use their name several times during the conversation. We are all recognized by our name. It gives us a sense of importance when we repeatedly hear our names. Repeating a person's name not only makes them feel important, but also creates a sense of respect for the person they are talking to. It can also be used as an effective tool if we feel that a person's interest in the conversation has started to fade off. Try not to use it too often though, as it gives an impression of you trying to manipulate them. So guys, if you liked and enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Till then, bye-bye.